everyone, welcome to episode 10 of the News November series. IndiaMART announced its results for quarter 2 2021. Let's see how it performed this year. अगर आप चैनल पे नए हैं तो please subscribe to my channel Formulating Finance and don't forget to press the bell icon. IndiaMART is India's largest online B2B marketplace, B2C and customer-to-customer marketplace. It is providing its services via a web portal which connects buyers with the suppliers. It is one of the leading marketplaces in India, having a robust network all over India covering all the cities with wide range of products and services. Let's see the financials of IndiaMART. B2B e-commerce firm IndiaMART on Tuesday posted its results and saw an 8-fold jump in its consolidated net profit, which is at Rs 70 crore for the second quarter. And last year it was at a net profit of Rs 9 crore. The revenue from operations of the company increased by just 4% to Rs 163 crore during the quarter from Rs 157 crore it recorded in the corresponding quarter of last year. Dheere businesses are picking up the activity and there's an increasing realization as well by small and medium enterprises that web portals are really helpful, and revenue and customers have been showing a positive recovery as well. Let's see how it performed in terms of traffic on its portal and its customers. The traffic increased by 32% year-on-year to 25.9 crore in July to September 2020 compared to 19.6 crore in the same period an year ago. Paid subscribers of IndiaMART grew by just 3% during this quarter. There was very marginal improvement in realizing the existing customers and increase of paying subscribers. It was a very difficult time for the portal since the businesses were not really performing well, which impacted the performance of the portal as well. Now, let's talk about the price. Current market price is around 5,000. IndiaMART shares had gone down to Rs 1641 as well due to the havoc created by Corona and due to lockdowns. But it recovered so well and even touched a high of Rs 5,100 this year. For long-term investors, this is a good stock since it is just the start of digitalization in India and the growth of e-commerce platform, and there's so much to look ahead. I hope you got a quick review of IndiaMART, its financial and how strong position it holds in the Indian market. Do like the video, share and subscribe to my channel Formulating Finance, and don't forget to press the bell icon.